Well, ladies and gents, I'm happy to announce I just invested in the Elgato HD60 S. Oh, yeah. So this is the unboxing of the brand new Elgato HD60 S, which definitely is going to dominate the original HD60, I hope. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful when it's in the wrapper. Alright, so yeah, this shall be fun. Alright, here we go. So this is the contents within. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, I'll get that out of there. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so we're gonna throw this garbage away. Ugh. Take a hit of my pipe real quick. Okay. Alright, where were we? Oh my. Dun 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 dun. Oh. This box has some weight to it. I mean, it's just it's not light. Now that we got the outer casing box off, now what's this? Yeah. I feel like a child when they get a toy that they've been waiting for so long. Oh yeah. So it comes with the good old cables, the Type-C cable. Looks like we got an HDMI cable. Maybe use that, we'll see. They just give me an Elgato Simple sticker this time. Instead of the actual name Elgato being on it, it's just a logo. Which will go great right up in there. Or maybe over here, or maybe on my laptop. So this is it right here. Feels like it's the same weight as the 2.0 version. USB HD60. So this is the HD60 S. Oh yeah. Alright, so Elgato Gaming. What do we have here? Tiny little manual. Like dwarf size. Alright, so what's this? Just the box tells you what's up. I already know how to run one of these, so it'll be simple for me. So that's the inside box. Alright. Cool. I am excited. Alright, time to put the box back together. Shunk. And where will it look good on my bookshelf? We'll put her... Oh yeah. Right up here. Oh. It fits perfectly. Shunk. Move that back just a little bit. There we go. Oh my gosh. There it is. There it is. I got it. Yes. Yes. Alright, so live streaming will be better now because this is what I'm going to be using for live streaming. And we'll see how it goes for recording overall. Might even just not use my other Elgato anymore. We'll see what happens. But until then, we're going to give it a shot and see how things go. But I'm so happy, just excited to announce to the whole world that I just upgraded. Spent $180 to upgrade my live stream capabilities. Oh yeah. Well, that's that, everybody. I'll see you on Xbox Live. Peace out for now.